Ever feel like everyone around you is leveling up and you're still trying to remember what you had for lunch yesterday? You don't need to be born a genius to become smart. Smart people aren't special. They just do things differently. So let's break down exactly how to do it. Becoming smart isn't about cramming your brain with random facts or finishing a book a day. It's about building the right mindset, habits, and making tiny decisions that stack up over time. Here's how smart people actually become smart, step by step. Step one, learn how to learn. Most people just consume content. Smart people, they process it. They ask, how can I use this? Where does this fit with what I already know? Try this. After every video, podcast, or article, summarize it in one line and note how you can apply it in your life. This turns info into insight. Step two, be curious like a kid. Kids ask why 100 times a day. And honestly, that's genius. Smart people stay curious. They Google stuff immediately. They chase answers. They ask weird questions like, why do we hit snooze even when we're late? Here's the trick. Whenever something confuses you, don't move on. Dig deeper. That's where real learning starts. Step three, build a system, not pressure. You don't magically become smart by setting read 50 books goals. Instead, build a system. Read 10 pages every morning. Watch one valuable video daily. Take 5 minutes to reflect every night. These are easy wins that become permanent habits. Smart isn't a goal. It's a result of system. Step four, talk to yourself, not in a weird way. No joke. Smart people have strong inner conversations. They reflect. They ask themselves, what did I learn today? What mistake did I make? What can I do better tomorrow? Self-awareness equals self-upgrade. You don't grow without feedback, especially from yourself. Step five, surround yourself with brain fuel. Your environment either makes you smarter or dumber. Follow accounts that teach you something. Keep books within arm's reach. Replace one dumb scroll session with a smart scroll session. Small swaps, big gain. Step six, be consistent, not perfect. You don't need to become a productivity robot. Missing a day won't kill progress, but giving up after one miss, that will. So start small, stay consistent. The smartest people aren't the fastest learners. They're the ones who don't stop. Hey, wait, before you go back to scrolling, want to level up your discipline too? Watch this video next. It'll change the game for you.